Hi guys, welcome to my unboxing of the Irish at Heart box. This is February's box. This is my second time receiving this box, so this is a little different for me usually, but I do have Irish in me, so it's kind of exciting. I always want to go to Ireland and everything else, so I'd like to see where I come from. So this is absolutely made. This stuff is from Ireland. So we'll do this unboxing together. So when I open it up, it comes like this, really pretty. It's got my card with my name, which is really pretty. And I see some nice rosebuds in there. And their sticker. So let's see what this says. I like that it gives you a little touch with your name on it. Alright, it might be the information on what's in the box, so if it is, I will just put it on the side until we're done. Which it is. In bulk, the Festival of Life. Since it is coming from Ireland, obviously mine's a little late, but it's okay. Let's see if I can get that open without tearing it to pieces. Okay. My little roses stay in there. Okay. Ooh, looks pretty cool. Alright, very excited. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to grab, I don't know if I want to grab the big thing first. I'll grab this over here. So, this is what I see. Ooh, palm oil free, vegan, luxurious artisan Irish soap. Perfect gift for travel companion. And obviously this is made in Ireland. In the back. And let's see what this. Ooh, wow. It smells awesome. Rose water. Check that out. I love that. Very pretty. I love it. I can't wait to use that. That's awesome. Okay. And I see this here. Looks like we got some, organic jasmine tea. We got organic lemon harmony. There we go. We got, rooibos, kakao chai. We got chamomile dream. Lots of tea. I'm wondering if this is right from Ireland. I believe so. Okay, now I see we have Mystic Ireland Celtic Energy Bracelet. Wow. Rose quartz, love, peace, and harmony. See the triquetra? Love it. And then right there. Let me see if I can get that blur. There we go. Okay. Let's see the tree of life. There we go. Trying to get it so you don't. There we go. So it's not blurry. There we go. Perfect. I got that, and there's lots of rosebuds in here. What is this? I don't know this. There's also this bag here. Let's see what this is. Lots of rosebuds. It smells so good. Oh, Bridget's cross. Oh, wow. That is awesome. Bridget's cross pin. When's it gonna... There we go. That is so cool. That is a nice surprise. Do like that. And we have this big item. And it says Slated Artisan Tableware by Dockley Co. Dublin. And the rest in here is rosebuds, which smell wonderful. Let's see. Some kind of Irish thing. Dying to see. Let's see what this is. Oh, wow. It's a tea light. So it's made from slate. Square, and it's tea light in there. And it's like a copper all the way around. And it says, so it's made in Ireland as a natural product, and through our handcrafted artisan process, each slated piece is utterly unique, which can lead to uneven, rigid, or veined surfaces, typically of the slate substance. Please be aware of any sharp edges, blah, 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 blah. The modern makers can utilize this incredibly durable, naturally beautiful slate stone. Each piece is meticulously handcrafted by the Hammond family, masters of generations of slate pieces, and handcrafted artisans to enhance the originality and natural elegance of the collection. Very cool. And it's obviously made in Ireland, crafted in there, Ireland itself. So this is something you would probably find at a store on the, on the streets of Ireland in one of the little shops. Very cool. It's got this so it doesn't slide on the table. So that is awesome. And I know my tea light hit the ground. I heard it hit. I'm going to get the information on this as well, and we can go over that with you guys. Also Italian, so I'm going to hopefully, and I do have Norse as well in me, so I want to get that background as well, and see if I can get boxes on that as well, because I would love that, especially when it's part of where you come from, your roots. Okay, we hope that 2020 is going well for you so far. An ancient Celtic wheel of the year, Imbolc marked the midway point between the winter solstice and the spring equinox, one of the fourth fire festivals. It represents winter yielding to spring, a seasonal shift when the first signs of new season begin to slowly emerge and hearken, and the return of light and sun. It's funny because being as a witch, we celebrate it as well. As darkness gives way to light, Imbolc celebrates another successful passing of winter. Yay! And we move towards the lighter months of spring. It is derived from the Old Irish Imbolg, meaning in the belly, so we can imagine that from within Mother Earth lies the first stirrings of new life, of spring. The celebration of renewed fertility also extends to Imbolc's close association with the lambing season. It is a celebration of renewal and growth, fertility and reawakening, purification and new beginnings. Still today, in Ireland, spring is welcomed on the 1st of February. Febra. And while it may feel like winter is still upon us, there is a magical reawakening from within taking place. We hope you feel it too. So, and of course, it gives you information on Bridget, which is the goddess of Imbolc. They have the tale of two Bridgets, which I've heard the two tales. One of being born of the seas, and one fifth. Yeah. So if you guys want to read about that, I'll let you guys can freeze frame it there. So they give you information on that. And also, how to make a Bridget's cross, which I already did for in bulk. But if you guys want information on that, you can read that. And then they go over what's in the box, so we will do that real quick. All right. Copper candle holder, exquisite and slate. Copper is a really good energy conductor as well, so that's really good to include if you're doing divination, to use that candle holder. So it's a husband and wife team at Slated, Ed and Tara Hammond, who combine the elements found in nature, creating truly striking pieces for the home. So that's really cool. And then we got the St. Bridget's Cross brooch, the pin, awesome. The Rose Quartz Energy bracelet, the Rose Water soap, the teas, and the slated candle holder. I absolutely think this is great. I love it. This is like my second box, and I will continue to receive this. So far, I'm absolutely loving it. And if anyone knows of an Italian box or a Norse box, leave me a message. I would definitely want to know about it. Until next time, guys, talk to you later. Bye.